Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Shopify robots and indexing settings, full guide step by step clearly. To verify your Shopify robots.txt file, start by opening your web. Type in your store's URL followed by /robots.txt. Press enter to access the file. Review the contents of the robots.txt file to ensure it allows search engines to crawl your site. Look for user agent lines followed by disallow directives to check which areas are restricted. Next, log into your Shopify admin panel. Go to Online Store and then navigate to Preferences. Scroll down to the Search Engine Listing Preview section. Click on the Edit Website SEO button to access the SEO settings. Check the indexing settings here to ensure search engines can index your site. Make sure the noindex option is not selected for your homepage and key pages. To confirm indexing settings, you can use Google Search Console. If you haven't set it up yet, make an account and link your Shopify store. Once verified, go to the coverage report in Search Console. Check for any indexing issues reported for your website. If you encounter any issues, address them promptly to improve search visibility. Consider using the URL inspection tool in Search Console for specific page checks. Enter the URLs you want to analyze and check the indexing status. Make necessary adjustments based on the feedback from Google. For additional insights, explore Shopify apps that enhance SEO features. Remember to regularly review your robots.txt and SEO settings. Keep your content fresh to encourage better indexing by search engines. Monitor your store's performance in search results over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.